Shortcuts for flashlight in any Android devices. Normally, in order to enable flashlight, we just swipe to this notification panel and tap on flashlight to enable it. But this time, I will show you the shortcut for flashlight in any Android devices that you have been using. Let's turn off the flashlight here and go to the settings on your Android device. On this settings panel, tap on additional settings. On this additional settings section, tap on gestures and motions. Now just open the screen of gestures option and make sure to toggle on screen of gestures. So as you can see, the third option that says draw a V to turn off flashlight or off. Just you need to toggle on this button and tap on got it. So when your screen is off, you can simply draw a V on your screen and easily turn on the flashlight or turn off it. So this is one of the shortcut that you can use, and the second one is at the bottom you can see of the gestures and motion space, turn on or off flashlight with volume button. So just you need to toggle on this button. So when your screen is off, you need to press and hold the volume button down to turn the flashlight on or off. So this function is not available during media playback, but when your screen is off, you can simply press and hold the volume down button and turn on your flashlight, or you can turn off your flashlight. So these are the two shortcuts that you can use for the enabling of flashlight, or if you want to disable the flashlight, you can easily turn off it using the shortcuts in any Android devices. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.